Ho qhomme motswebere nakong ya boipelaetso ba ditho tsa mokgatlo wa baithuti wa EFF ha di ne di kwala heke ya campus e le ho thibela makoloi ho kena le ho tswa.
Wits University is saying now they won't open the door. So Wits likes killing people. In 2021 someone died because of Wits arrogance.
This fight is bigger than Wits. This fight is a fight. That's why I'm even calling, I'm pleading to the rest of the South Africans to say that our mothers, our fathers, our brothers, our sisters go to the streets.
Baithuti ba ile ba hwanta ho potolwa le setsi sa mabenkele sa Bramfontein e le ha ba batla mokgwa o kena campuseng. Sebaka sena ke seo motswebere ona o qhommeng ho sona.
Wits University is committed to trying to support students as far as possible, and this is why we're trying to address some of the national issues with which we live after so many years. We've shown restraint in the face of student protests, but we condemn the acts of intimidation and the destruction of property.
Baithuti ba boletse hore ba tlo tswela pele ka matsholo a bona a boipelaetso.